Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar channel. Is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm always giving you juice, salad, and good stuff to make at home, remedy, and all these things. Anyway, I just want to simply say to you that we're just going to give you a quick update because of the kind of weather which we are in at the moment. Very cold. I want to tell you something. In Jamaica, in December time of the year, it's very cold. Very, very cold. If it doesn't mind, they may get snow in Jamaica one day because the weather is so cold, you know what I mean. But I wouldn't say it's very cold like other countries, you know what I mean, like Canada, England, and all these places. It's very cold, you know what I mean. But Jamaica also cold certain time of the year in December. So just gonna give you a quick update. No matter where you are, you could in Jamaica, wherever way you know the world. Lemon tea is very good, you know what I mean. Good for, you know what I mean, cold and flu, detoxing your body and help you to clean out your immune system and all these things. All you need to do, you don't need to put any honey. You don't need to do like, all you need is a lemon or a lime. Drink it even 5 mornings straight before you before you go into the cold weather, or you can drink it at night before you go to your bed. It's a good time to drink it. Anyway, I want to say stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. We got a lot more ideas and tips will be coming. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So I'm gonna give you just tips and ideas and update our mind, our memory. You know what I mean? That ginger tea, lemon tea, and all this kind of tea do really works at home. And I'm gonna show you how you can just simply make it at home. You may say, yes, Chef Ricardo, I know how to make it, but simple thing like these do works and they're really effective. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I make sure do have a cup which you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of my cup. All right. So basically, empty cup. This is some honey. This is 100% natural honey. If you notice, you see it doesn't run it or anything. All right, this is 100% honey, but don't need to put the honey inside of it. You can drink it naturally, or you can put a half teaspoon of sweetness, because a lot of people are allergic to certain things and don't want to have certain things in the thing. Okay, so what you're gonna do, simple, get a fresh lemon. You know what I mean? If you notice you got some seeds inside of it, you can either simple leave the seeds in it, or you can either get a strainer and get rid of the seeds. So it's up to you. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simple just pick out of my seeds. And what I'm gonna do now is pour the water straight inside of the kettle like this. In my cup like this, sorry guys. Alright, then I'm gonna squeeze the lemon in it. The reason why I would like to do it this kind of way, because when you use a strainer, it's catching bits and pieces, which you need that bits and pieces to go inside of the hot water. Alright, once you do that, simple, let's cut a little piece like this and put it straight inside of the lemon, in the side of the glass. Alright guys, you might just say, Chef Ricardo, come on, do better. Guys, this is a drink, a hot drink, which works miracle in your life. Alright? You drink this like 5 mornings straight on an empty stomach. You see exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't try, you don't know. Okay? You might just say, oh yes, I used to do it before. No, you used to do it before. Listen, you used to do it before.